Om Shanti. Here are 7 spiritual processes for sanitization of your soul. Number 1. What needs to go? Dump. Start writing about everything that is in your mind. This is the brain dump phase, where everything needs to come out and be released. This is not a time to hold back. Just write whatever comes in your mind. Challenge yourself to keep writing, even if the ideas are not flowing. Number 2. Sit in your emotions. Now that you have dumped the thoughts onto the page in front of you, chances are there are a lot of emotions surfacing, popping up, bubbling out. Sit in them. Allow yourself to fully feel them by crying, by screaming, by drawing, by dancing, etc. Do whatever you need to release them. When you resist, emotions, they become blocked and develop into subconscious patterns that hold you back. When you allow yourself to jump into the emotion fully and freely, you can swim past it and come out the other side. Number 3. Sit with your emotions. Now that you have physicalized your emotional mindset and used your body to do some release work, now it is time to really sit with your emotions in peace and surrender. When you allow yourself to accept your emotions without judgment, when you allow yourself to feel but not engage as a detached observer, when you give yourself permission to feel, it is that when you allow this process that healing and cleansing occurs. Number 4. Forgive and let go. When you sit with your intention of cleaning and sanitizing your soul, it is time to now release, to allow space for your intention to be received. Understand and allow yourself to let go. Forgive yourself. Forgive others. Find space in your heart to move on. Move forward. You might find it very beneficial to write a letter stating your intention to release, a determined thought to release. Release all your fears, your past experiences, and just accept what is. This step can be the most challenging one. So be patient, loving, and gentle with yourself. Number 5. Ask for divine help and support. Ask for God to step in, to help you to release and allow forgiveness to enter into your heart, your mind and body. As the divine support system starts helping you, you can release all that is holding you back, that holds you from achieving your highest purpose. Ask God to guide you through this process. Allow yourself to receive the blessings from God, Feel your heart to open up and expand. You are worthy of God's love. You are appreciated by God. You deserve to receive God's blessing. Number 6. Give thanks. Now that God has cleansed you, it's time to thank everyone, yourself, people around you, God, whoever have been a part of your journey and this process, your divine support. Just thank everybody. Honor your soul, your heart. Give thanks to all that has helped and guided you. Number 7. Soul maintenance. Just like a diet plan, if you don't keep up the good habits you acquired during your cleanse, you will soon find yourself back at the beginning. Make the effort to take time out every day to honor your soul, your spiritual self. Meditate. Do something very creative. Take a walk in nature, journal, write, practice gratitude, do deep breathing. Make it a priority to do things that make you feel good within. You can also practice saying this sanitizing commentary daily. I release, I cleanse, I sanitize my mind, my body and spirit of all my past resentments, negativity, fears. I call upon the light of the divine to nourish my heart and soul, and I seek guidance on this path towards my highest good. For this, I give my thanks to God. I am now choosing to cleanse myself and release all kinds of negativity of the past, the present, the future. All thought forms, I release all beings, all situations, all energies that are no longer of service to my highest, my holiest, my richest, my purest, greatest good. Across all the planes of my existence, across all universes and across all the lifetimes, I release all things which don't serve me. I ask all the positive energies to enter into me: love, peace, happiness, joy, forgiveness, compassion, mercy, kindness, to become a better being again. Regular spiritual cleansing and the use of these techniques will leave you feeling much more lighter and refreshed. Once you are spiritually cleansed and decluttered, you can be sure to have a new, free, spirited life to start on. Om Shanti.